step into the 2014 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck SR5. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, wireless streaming, Bluetooth wireless phone connectivity, splash guards, fully galvanized steel panels, clear front fog and driving lights, black side windows trim, black front windshield trim and black rear window trim, tailgate rear cargo access, steel spare wheel and manual rear door lock. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.